Michael's vlog, what up?
Gary V,
What up?
We are on stage. This is called Folly Stage. We went down this epic hill that's rutted. In the past, the Corolla could have gotten through. At the moment, the RAV4, which is behind me, might struggle getting up. It's been a cool rally. Been fun getting back into rallying again. It's been a bit of a long break. Unfortunately, there's been a medical emergency, which means that because everyone's a volunteer, the chopper, helicopter, and all medical crew for this stage, being the last stage, have all been sent off to the emergency, which means this stage is now delayed. So unfortunately, I'm going to pack up, and it's starting to drizzle, and head back to the service park and wait around for podium. How's it, guys? I know I'm not meant to be doing this while I'm driving, but I am, so be it. The rally's over and I'm now chasing some light. Let me flicker around, see if you can see it. There's a bit of light, and if it happens, it might be spectacular. So I'm heading down south to a place called either Dunsborough or Sugarloaf. I have 37 minutes to get there, and I have 43 minutes until sunset. Oh, there's Sugarloaf, there she is. And let's go and have a look. What up, guys? Welcome to Sugarloaf. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? It's windy. It's windy. But that's Sugarloaf behind me. Just there. Don't know whether it's over the top of my head or not. Maybe not now, maybe it is. I'm going to come back here tomorrow morning. This is it for the vlog for tonight. Get out of the wind. The rally's over, obviously, you know that. And I'm going to go back and make some plans. I'm going to clean out my car, get ready for tomorrow morning. I'm going to go to a cafe and sit and do some editing for a little while. I will have worked out my plans, which I'll tell you tomorrow. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe down below, to give it a thumbs up and a like, and we will see you tomorrow.